Today, Visa's technology is enabling banks and businesses to offer you more flexibility with Visa Installments. If your card is eligible, you can pay over a set amount of time by splitting qualifying purchases at participating retailers into equal monthly payments. All you need at checkout is your eligible Visa card. There's no extra setup or credit check required. And with predictable payments, you'll always know what you need to pay and when you need to pay it. Here's how you do it. First, use your eligible card at checkout for qualifying purchases at participating merchants and look for the Visa Installments payment option. If it's available, the installment options might pop up after you type in your credit card information. Or sometimes you might see a Visa Installments button. Or you might see Visa Installments listed under Installment Options. Next, choose your installment plan and agree to the terms. Then pay and be on your way. Your issuer will handle the rest. To find out where Visa installments are accepted and if your card may be eligible, visit visa.com or contact your bank. Get what you want today with Visa Installments.